the 8 meters, all in that Fluke 70 series, 20 series format. Couple new ones. Haven't put up before. Yeah, rerunning them. That new little dude, the 50D thermometer. Got it dialed in. 0.2 difference between the two leads. Old 77, 23, 273 threes, 77 BN, 78 automotive meter, 79 series 2. And all these 70 series Fluke meters eventually turned into this body style. So now we're what are they 42, 4300 counts for the newer ones. So 12 volts. Oh, and these three are the benchmark. I've set everything else by. Let's see. Dang. Oh, yeah. 12. Got everything right about there. They all twitching just like the good meters. Or the updated. Let's see. Dang, this power supply is off. 32 volts. Yeah. 3201. Most of them are there. They pretty good. This one's messing with me just because it has such a different number than the rest. I bet most of you didn't even know this thing existed. Because I know you've looked online for the thermocouples for these meters. But I bet you haven't seen a meter, or many meters, most of you, that take the two flat bars that go into it. So, Fluke 50D, 51, 52. I can't remember the letter that goes with it. The original. I think this one's 2002, something like that. Got these little thermocouples and got them dialed in where they match with everything else. The old 77, the pads are coming to fix that, so hopefully they do. 23s. So this is my 8 Fluke 70 series. We call it a body style or form factor meters. And then these are just the ones I'm using to check everything and calibrate everything. A couple of them are newly calibrated, but they nice. I'm enjoying them. They fun.